I am a tower tall, with a call to prayer 5 times a day. I resonate through the air. Muslims gather around, in reverence and praise, for I unite the faithful, in their daily spiritual phase. What I am? The minaret. I am a sacred month, blessed and serene. During my time, fasting is keen. Muslims abstain from food and drink, seeking closeness to Allah, as they think. What I am? Ramadan. I am a place of serenity, adorned with beautiful art. Believers come to me, with a humble heart they bow, they prostrate, in devotion they sway, seeking Allah's mercy, each time they pray. What I am? Mosque. I am a traveler's quest, a journey of a lifetime. Muslims yearn to visit me, in a spiritual climb, to circumambulate and throw stones, as part of a rite. Pilgrims embrace the struggle, seeking blessings and light. What I am? The Hajj. I am a celestial gift, seen in the night sky. Muslims use me to determine the days that pass by. By my phases, they mark their way. If I am full, you may fast that white day. What I am? The moon. I am a spiritual endeavor, a night of profound worth. Muslims seek me in the last 10 nights of the month's birth. In seclusion and worship, they strive to draw near, for on this night, blessings and mercy appear. What I am? Laila ul Qadr. I am a blessed food, shared among the devout. Muslims break their fast with me, without a doubt. Along with water, a simple yet special delight, nourishing the body and soul, from morning till night. What I am? Dates. I am a symbol of purity, a state of sanctity. Muslims perform me, an act of piety immersed in flowing water. Sins are washed away, ablution complete, prepared to pray. What I am? Ablution. I am a shield of protection, a garment to wear. Muslim women adorn me, with utmost care, modesty and grace. I signify, covering beauty, a symbol that amplifies. What I am? Hijab. I am a blessed day, a time of celebration and cheer. Muslims break their fast with me. After Ramadan is here, joy and feasting fill the air. From dawn till night, a time of gratitude and reflection, shining bright. What I am? Eid ul Fitr. I am a book revered, with verses divinely inscribed. Muslims turn to me for guidance, as they confide stories of prophets and wisdom. Within my pages lie, a source of solace and knowledge, raising spirits high. What I am? The Quran. I am a pillar of faith, a charitable act. Muslims give me, as part of their contract, a portion of wealth, shared with those in need, alleviating hardship, performing a righteous deed. What I am? Zakat. I am a spiritual retreat, a month of self-control. Muslims observe me, in search of a noble goal, fasting from dawn till dusk, disciplining desire, strengthening faith, as they aspire. What I am. Ramadan. I am the surah that speaks of the opening, a chapter with wisdom and divine unveiling. Muslims recite me in every prayer to seek guidance and blessings with utmost care. What I am. Surah Al-Fatiha. I am a chosen one, a prophet divine, to guide and warn. A message was mine, in a ship I sailed, when the flood did rise, to save believers, under the heavenly skies. What I am. Prophet Nuh. I am a chapter concise, but rich in might, with a message profound, shining bright, unity and oneness. I declare, to know me is to understand and share. What I am. Surah Al-Ikhlas.